Amazon Bedrock Overview. What is Amazon Bedrock? Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that offers a variety of high-performing foundation models, FMs, from leading AI companies like AI-21 Labs, Anthropic, Cohere, Meta, Mistral AI, Stability AI, and Amazon. It provides a broad set of capabilities to build generative AI applications with security, privacy, and responsible AI. With Amazon Bedrock, you can experiment with and evaluate top FMs, customize them with your data using fine-tuning and retrieval augmented generation, RAG, and build agents that execute tasks using your enterprise systems and data sources. Being serverless, it eliminates the need for infrastructure management and securely integrates generative AI capabilities into your applications using familiar AWS services. Key features of Amazon Bedrock. Choice of models. Amazon Bedrock allows you to choose from a range of foundation models, FMs, for various applications, offering flexibility and minimal code changes when upgrading models. Here are some available models. Amazon Titan, text and image generation, summarization, classification, Q&A, information extraction, and search. Claude, thoughtful dialogue, content creation, complex reasoning, creative writing, and coding. Command and embed, text generation and representation for text generation, summarization, search, clustering, classification, and RAG. Jurassic, instruction following models for text generation, Q&A, summarization, and more. Llama, fine-tuned models for dialogue and natural language tasks. Mistral AI, models for text summarization, classification, completion, code generation, and completion. Stable Diffusion, image generation for unique, realistic, and high-quality visuals, generation, and completion. Model customization. Amazon Bedrock supports model customization to deliver personalized user experiences. You can fine-tune FMs with your labeled datasets and use continued pre-training with unlabeled data. The customized models are accessible only to you, ensuring your data's privacy and security. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG. RAG allows FMs to deliver more relevant and accurate responses by enriching prompts with data fetched from company data sources. Amazon Bedrock's fully managed RAG capability automates the entire workflow, including ingestion, retrieval, prompt augmentation, and citations, eliminating the need for custom code. Agents for Amazon Bedrock. Agents can execute complex tasks across company systems and data sources. By integrating FMs with your enterprise systems, knowledge bases, and AWS Lambda functions, agents analyze user requests and call necessary APIs and data sources to fulfill them securely and privately. Security and compliance. Amazon Bedrock prioritizes security and privacy. Your data is encrypted at rest and in transit, and no customer data is used to train foundation models. The service complies with HIPAA and GDPR regulations, ensuring your data's safety. Getting started with Amazon Bedrock. Step 1. Access the Amazon Bedrock console. Log in to your AWS account. Navigate to the Amazon Bedrock console page. Select the models you want to use on the Model Access page. Step 2. Interact with the Bedrock API. To integrate Bedrock services into your applications, follow these steps. Set up your Python environment with the AWS Python SDK and Boto 3. Import Boto 3 and call the list_foundation_models function to list available models. Conclusion. Amazon Bedrock simplifies the process of building and scaling generative AI applications by providing a variety of foundation models through a single API. It offers powerful customization capabilities, a fully managed RAG workflow, and secure execution of complex tasks across enterprise systems. By prioritizing security and compliance, Amazon Bedrock ensures that your data is protected, making it an ideal choice for integrating generative AI into your application.